everyone, it's Rhonda. Happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to share this little journal that I made. I found this digital at Papier de Fleurs and I loved it. I love maidens with flowers in their hair, so this one really spoke to me. I love the deep colors and it's a lot of pink. I really enjoyed making it. It's about 6 by 3.5, and I added a lot of pale pinks, like this beautiful ribbon and this pocket here. And so in this pocket I just added a little place to write. You can write on the back. Folded it up, stuck it in here. And this is from my friend Carrie. She sent me a box, and I'll go through a little bit of that in a second after this video. And I just love it. It's like she said it was vintage French lace trim. And then here is one of my favorite pages from the kit. I'll list the kit below. And there's some pocket things to hold, and there's some scraps. And then there are several of these little pockets. I need to fill them up. These are like the seed packs. And so I didn't adhere it. It's just going to be clipped on here. There you go. And then this is original antique French paper. And here's another little tuck. Beautiful golds mixed with the pinks flowers. I love that. And then in this little side tuck, I have a little book page, French book page, folded up in there. Some music sheet. It's just a little journal. There are a few spots to write. I had a lot of fun making this. Here's another one of those little envelope seed packs, whatever you want to call them. And then in this side corner pocket, it's just another piece of beautiful paper from the kit. And this is actually from another kit, and you can write on it. I'll list that kit as well. And here is a tag from the kit. And another tag from the kit. And I just love this envelope that's in the kit. Very pretty. And then I put a journaling card inside. And I have it on this beautiful antique French paper. Just beautiful. There we go. Here are some more scraps to work with. And then on the back is another vintage lace pocket, a tag, and an antique book page. There you go. It's a cute little journal. And tie it up. And then I'll show you what Carrie sent me. Carrie is a friend of mine, and we often speak. She just started watching my channel, and we became friends by chatting. And she sent this. But the whole thing of sending me something was that she was out shopping, and you're not going to believe what she found. This looks like Florentine paper, Italian Florentine paper, but it's actually wrapping paper that she found in rolls at Marshall's, I believe. And she's like, look what I found at Marshall's. And I said, oh my gosh, I'll buy it from you. You know, because not all Marshalls or TJ Maxx have the same things. And so she grabbed the rolls, and I told her just fold them to make them shippable, that I'd pay her for it. And she found a lot of them. I don't think she kept any. Just look how many there are. They're just gorgeous, and they just look like Florentine papers. So I thought I'd show you that. She texts me all the time. Look what I found. I love it, because I don't go shopping too much. So I thought she was just sending that and maybe a few things. And so she started showing me things that she found, but I don't remember us talking about this, Carrie. I apologize, but this is a huge table runner, and I just love it. It's just gorgeous. I will be using this. It'll hurt me to cut it, but the work on here is just amazing. And I don't even know if I have it on the right side, but the thing is, when you work with silk like this, the glue shows through, so you have to sew it. But I will be using this in my journals. It's just so beautiful. And so then Carrie and I were discussing other things, and I purchased some things from her, and then she sent me extras. Now, these are wallpaper samples that she sent. They're just gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. So she sent me that. Then she sent me these. These are mostly French holy cards. They're just gorgeous. I collect these, and I get a lot of requests for religious themed journals, and so I will be making copies of these and putting them in those journals. They're just gorgeous. I won't go through all of them, and I'll show you some of my favorites. I have them up on my little shelves here, but I love this. Carrie, thank you for that. Let's see. Oops, didn't mean to. I have this one of St. Rita. I love this, so I keep it up here on my shelf. And then I have, oops, sorry, hit the light. And this one of Jesus. So I keep those up where I can see them. And then what else did I get? Oh, here is that lace trim. It's not ribbon, it's lace trim. A lot of it. And I thought she said it was from France, so I'm going to go with that. And then she also sent me this lace trim. Love it. And then in this envelope were just some vintage pieces. He is not here, for he is risen, a bright and blessed Easter. So Easter is coming. That is beautiful. And I think this is a Gibson girl. I'm not sure. Seems like that's what I remember. And this old photo, and this looks like it could have been a postcard of Jesus. So those were in that envelope. And then she sent me this. I buy these boxes on Amazon because they hold many, many things. I think this is Joseph and Jesus, a little pen, photo pen. There's this one. I love these. I have some of these. There's a Blessed Mother. And another one of Jesus. Yeah, these are amazing. Another one of Jesus. Wow. And then all these religious medals and a cross. And then these are called, like pocket shrines. I have several of these as well. These are called pocket shrines. The men in the military used to carry those in war. So I loved all of that. And then I got this little pouch. And these are pretty rare and hard to find. Very beautiful. They're all either printed or embroidered, but they're embroidered around the edges for sure. And I think there was more of those. There's scapulars in here. If you don't know what a scapular is, this is what it is. This one is still sewn on the card, but people used to carry these in mass. Here's another one. And I collect a lot of religious relics, so these will definitely go in my collection. And that's what I think these are called scapulars. Oh, did I already say that? Okay, sorry. But yeah, these are pretty rare to find, and if you collect that sort of thing. But that's what she sent me, and I'm really grateful that she and I are friends, and we speak often, and we share the same interests, and we just have that bonding friendship. So thank you, Carrie. I appreciate it. And I hope you found a little bit of inspiration today. I know the video isn't very long, but I will be back next Tuesday, this coming up Tuesday, with a team project. So I will see you then, and take care, and thanks for watching, everyone.